Today on CJ Off-Road, we're going to show you an easy way to add some more storage, protection, and comfort to your Silverado by installing the center console cover. If you want to keep your center console clean and protected, or want to give your arm a bit more comfort, this console cover is exactly what you need. This is Konsole Armour's center console cover for the 2014-18 Silverado. This console cover is GM licensed and it's made of 100% durable black cotton with the iconic Chevy bow tie, and it's going to slip right over your center console. You're going to open up the center console and put the end with the hole at the front to go around the latch. And then to get the end in, you have to lift it up all the way and tuck this fabric in between the crease back here. Once you get it on and centered up and looking pretty good, you can close it. And now, in addition to protecting your center console, it is going to give you a bit more comfort because it is nice and soft. And there's also a storage pocket here where you can put your phone, your wallet, or whatever. If this thing does get dirty, it's super easy to pull off and it's machine washable. And if you want to pick up this console cover, you can find this and other parts for your Silverado at cjponyparts.com. We hope you enjoyed this video. To subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the link right here. And for more videos like this one, check out this playlist.